When the world is in dreams with the football heroes like Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Neymar, a man from Egypt came to break the dreams of many and say, "Hey, I'm here too." With his skills with the ball and prolific goal scoring ability made him one of the best footballers of the modern era. Liverpool has totally changed as a team after the inclusion of this man. Friends, we are talking about the Liverpool star Mohamed Salah. The Egypt international is the heart of the Liverpool Football Club. Today we will talk about the lifestyle of this brilliant footballer. Before starting the video, if you are a fan of Mohamed Salah, then do like this video and share the video with your friends. So without any further delay, let's start the lifestyle video of Mohamed Salah. Let's first talk about the childhood and family life of Mohamed Salah. The full name of Salah is Mohamed Salah Ghali. His nicknames are Mo Salah, Egyptian Messi, the Pharaoh, an Egyptian king. He was born on 15th June 1992 in Nagrig, Ghabria, Egypt, to average middle-class parents. And as of 2020, he is now 28 years old. His father's name is Salah Ghali. He has got a brother named Nasser Salah. Salah was not good at academics. He tried finding the right balance between his academics and football, but he could not never improve his academics. But football remained his priority all through his childhood and teenage. When he wasn't playing, he was watching football on television. Among his early idols were some Arabic players. His parents wanted a conventional career for him, but unaffected by his parents' wishes, Salah kept himself completely focused on football. At first, Salah played football just for fun, but he started taking it as a serious profession opportunity when he joined a local club, El Makhloun. It was far away from his hometown and he had to change 5 buses to reach the academy, which further harmed his academics, but his passion for the game kept him focused. In May 2010, at the age of 18, he was fully and finally accepted into the senior team of his club. At first, Salah mostly played as a substitute player, but eventually, as his game improved, he became a regular forward in the team. Around 2012, the Egyptian Premier League faced a shutdown and the fate of many players became uncertain. In 2012, Salah married Maggie and the couple has a daughter, Makkah. Mohamed Salah is a devoted Muslim and after every goal he performs Sajda. His fans have reiterated that if Salah keeps scoring goals, they would convert to Islam. As per profession, Salah is a professional football player. Now let's talk about the career of Mohamed Salah. When the Port Said Stadium disaster threatened the existence of the Egyptian Premier League, Swiss club Basel offered him a contract. In April 2012, signed a 4-year contract with Basel. He made his UEFA Champions League debut in the same year and in the Europa League and scored on many crucial occasions to help his team reach the semi-finals when they eventually lost. Salah played in an important role in Basel's 2012-2013 Swiss Premier League championship victory and a great performance in the Swiss Cup, where they finished runner-up. In the beginning of the next season, Salah was part of the Basel squad that won the Orhan Cup. He performed very well against Chelsea in 2 matches within a few weeks, which made the club interested in him. In January 2014, he joined Chelsea. In February 2014, Salah debuted for Chelsea in the Premier League against Newcastle United and scored his first goal against Arsenal in March. Before the beginning of the 2014-15 season, it was reported that Salah could go back to Egypt to complete his mandatory military training, but as it turned out, Salah had met the Egyptian Prime Minister and got himself exempted. In February 2015, Chelsea loaned him to Italian club Fiorentina, which was valid until the end of 2015-16 season. On February 14th, he made his debut for the club, and at the end of the season, Salah showed his reluctance to join Fiorentina back. He was interested to joining another Serie A team, AS Roma, instead. In August 2015, he transferred to Roma on loan. In September 2015, Fiorentina, miffed with Chelsea's breach of contract, filed a case, but it was later settled and Salah stayed with Roma. By the end of his first season for Roma, Salah emerged out as the best player of the season and also the top scorer with 15 goals. In 2016, Roma's management approached him for a permanent deal and he agreed to it. Despite signing a long-term deal with Roma, Salah couldn't resist an offer by Liverpool in 2017. In June 2017, Salah agreed to a long-term contract with Liverpool for £50 million, which was a club record. He thus became Liverpool's first even Egyptian player and scored in his debut match against Watford. He was named as Player of the Month for August by Liverpool fans. In one of his matches against Watford, he scored 4 goals to secure 5-0 victory for his team. This was his first hat-trick for Liverpool, and by the end of the season, he emerged as the leading goal scorer with 36 goals. He has represented the Egyptian junior teams in under-20 and 23 teams in 11 games, including the 2011 FIFA Under-20 World Cup and 2012 Summer Olympics. He eventually became a part of the Egyptian national team and played with the team in 2014 World Cup qualifier, where he scored in the almost all games to get his team to the final stages. In the 2017 African Cup of Nations, he turned out as one of the leading goal scorers and helped his team to the finals. He also earned a place in CAF Team of the Tournament during the 2018 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. He was the top scorer for his team with 5 goals. Salah helped Liverpool to the Champions League final against Real Madrid, where he was substituted after suffering a shoulder injury in the 30th minute. On July 2, 2018, Salah signed a long-term contract with Liverpool. In August 2018, Salah was shortlisted to the final 3 for the UEFA Men's Player of the Year, which he emerged third. The UEFA Forward of the Season, where he came third, as well as the Best FIFA Men's Player, where he finished third. He was, however, awarded the 2018 Puskas Award. Friends, what do you think about Salah? How do you rank him as a player? Let us know in the comment box and like the video for more Salah. Now let's talk about the income and net worth of Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah is one of the highest paid footballers at present. As per his current contract, his weekly salary is $2 lakh. As of 2020, the total net worth of Mohamed Salah is $40 million. Now let's talk about the house of Mohamed Salah. Salah stays at Cairo, Egypt with his family as a permanent address, although he had to be with his team in England for his profession. You will see some pictures of his house in this video. Now let's talk about the car collection of Mohamed Salah. Salah is fond of keeping luxurious cars. The number of cars in his garage is increasing day by day. Salah drives an Audi Q7, which is estimated $53,900 USD. He has other cars in his store, namely Toyota Camry, which is $23,400 USD. Recently, he has added Lamborghini Aventador in his collection, which is around $393,000 USD. He has got a Mercedes AMG GLE Coupe, which is around $113,000. He has also got a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Roadster, which is $225,000. He has got a Bentley Continental GT in his garage, which is about $228,000. Now let's give you some record facts of Mohamed Salah. Most games scored in during a Premier League season, 24 games, 2017 and 2018 season. Most goals scored in a 38-game Premier League, 32 goals in 2017 and 18 season. Most Premier League Player of the Month awards in a single season, that is 3. Most goals in all competition by a Premier League player in the season, 44 goals. Favorite things of Mohamed Salah: favorite food, kushari, Egyptian specialty, and hummus, falafel. Favorite players of Mohamed Salah: Zinedine Zidane, Francesco Totti, and Brazil's Ronaldo. So friends, this was the lifestyle of Mohamed Salah. Hope you all have enjoyed. Do subscribe for regular lifestyle videos and click the bell icon to get the notifications on regular basis. Let us know in the comment box on which footballer you want the next video. We will try to make it for you. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.